Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Golf Clash. To change your name in Golf Clash, first of all, go ahead and open up your Golf Clash application on your mobile device. Once you're inside the home page of your Golf Clash, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top. This will then open up your profile. Tap on the little pencil icon on the right corner, and then you can now type in your new name in the text box. Once you are done, click on confirm. Now as you can see that you have changed your name, but once you have changed your name, you will not be able to change it again. So make sure to make a wise choice while changing your username or your player name. After you do that, you can tap on confirm, and that's how you can easily change your name on Golf Clash. You only have one chance to change your name, so make sure to make a wise choice. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.